Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to set graphics performance for high-end PC. In the beginning, let's go to settings of the game and firstly find graphics. Here select Ultra with strand base color on and motion blur on. Also you can select Ambient Occlusion on ray traced mode. Now in display, make sure to select full screen and set highest screen resolution, higher aspect ratio, and then maximum refresh rate and unlock frame rate limit. Now you can enable VSync, set cutscene performance on full and keep the render scale 100. Also, if you want to have even better graphics, you can set it above 100 to increase image quality. Now you can disable dynamic resolution scaling, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.